A few tips. It may help to number your lines as you go along. You can see how I have very quickly numbered my lines inside of that 1/4 inch line I created. Remember, this will be the back of your design, so the viewer will be seeing this side of your paper. This will all be hidden, so it's okay if you make mistakes or eraser marks. Also, if you have a place where the lines intersect or converge, it is okay for multiple thicker lines to be merging together. You do not need to worry about these teeny tiny little shapes. Prefer it almost all to just be black paper instead of cutting tiny pieces of tissue paper. What you're going to do next is you will place an X everywhere you are cutting. This ensures that you are cutting the correct item and not accidentally a line. I did have to adjust my design a little bit from my drawn version on the coordinate plane. All right, and I will cut that shape, and I will cut that shape. We'll cut that shape. This shape I'm going to not cut because it's so small. This shape I am going to try to not cut that either because it is so small. Okay, here they have a really clean intersection, so that will not be cut either. All right, we are ready to begin cutting out our open spaces where we will place the tissue paper. So remember, to do this, you will be using the X-Acto knife. You will be using the shiny side down on the paper, and I recommend cutting out one shape at a time. Move your paper to make it easier for you as you are cutting. Be sure to never have any fingers in the way of the blade in what direction it is moving. Remember to hold it like a pencil and put a lot of pressure down. You should be able to place your X-Acto knife down for a moment safely and pull the piece of paper out of your panel. Now you can see that I have a little bit of yucky stuff, extra paper left behind, so I'm gonna make sure I get that cut out. Okay, the X-Acto knife also helps like pick things up. So you can also pick the piece of paper up out of the line segments. And cutting on the inside of the pencil marks that you made to ensure that your line stays 1/4 of an inch. The thinner your paper lines are, the more difficult it will be to glue them. When I hit the